Out here today, we're trolling, and one of the really big mistakes I see a lot of people make is, their units that they're using. And what I mean by that is a lot of times a lot of guys are just focused on where they are, which obviously is very important. And obviously the depth, and this is kind of where it ends. And so to me, one of the missing parts of this whole puzzle is when we're trolling, we're going the perfect speed for side imaging. And side imaging you can learn so much from. And the way I set my unit up, I like to cover a lot of water, and so I have 100 feet each way. But I can really get an understanding for an area, and more importantly, I can get an understanding for where my bites are coming from. Instead of referring to waypoints that I may have dropped for a fish catch, I can understand what I maybe saw in my side imaging. Was it a boulder pile? Was it a little bit of finger that had sand where everything else was rock? What was the difference there? Side imaging is going to tell me that and really going to show me that. So utilizing side imaging sonar is really going to help you understand a specific area, what those fish are relating to, instead of just trying to fish around waypoints. And so this is one of those things that's really going to make you a better fisherman at the end of the day and really help you put a lot more fish in the boat.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.